Welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing us for the first time, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Coach John. Here I teach people how to calculate, read, and analyze on sport betting. Very simple and easy to make. So welcome back to my channel. In our last video, we talked about why pro watch before predicting. Why you must watch, the benefit of watching before you predict. So today, for the benefit of that first video, I'm here to summarize it and make it very simple and the way it will look easy for you guys. So today, in a summary of what we thought about on our previous video, we talk about the benefit, because many people has been losing their money in the size of sport betting. Many people have been losing their money. Many are not even interested on sports betting anymore because of the high risk of losing. And today I'm going to summarize the video and tell you some facts and other things that you have to do and things you need to avoid while placing your money on sport betting. Okay, now here are the simple truths. Many bettors or sport bettors will not tell you that they are losing games. When they lose game, they will not tell you. They will only show you some real facts when they are winning. Okay, for you, when you bet your money, you can find out that you cannot even get the same winning that they are getting, but they will tell you they are winning. But for you, when you place your money, you don't win like them. What will really be the cost? So there are some certain things you need to avoid, and there are some certain things you need to welcome back. So stick around this video so that we will make everything very simple and easy for you. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. That is very important. If you have not shared, please share to other websites, then like and also comment. You understand? So now coming to think of it, in our last video we talked about team behavior. You understand? We talk about team behavior. How do this team behave? How do they perform? What is their character? What are their strengths? When you watch football live, it helps you. You understand? It helps you to know how this team behave. You watch it with your eyes. You analyze it with your brain. No one taught you about that. You understand? It's become part of you. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. I hope you guys are understanding it. Very simple. We say we know team behavior. Okay, number two, we know the strength of the team. If this is a weaker team, I mentioned weaker team earlier, weaker team, stronger team, and the middle team. You have strong team. This team is a big team. You have a middle team, and you have also weaker team. Understand? Then when placing your bet, as a good predictor, you watch football, you have the benefit. Watching football helps you. You know when there is injuries in a particular team and suspension. Understand? You know when there are injuries and suspension, because if a key player is tired and is missing out of a match, no matter the odd, that odd must surely change. If a key player is out of a match, a single match, that particular match, the odd must surely change. I hope you're understanding what I'm trying to put here. And watching live helps you, it motivates you too. And when you watch football live, you build your mental health on space of football. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm trying to fish out here. You build your mental sense in football analysis and predicting football. You know everything about it. So before you place your money, I advise you, because we should have moved to other importance and other information on how to calculate, how to do other things. There are many options that I need to bring out, but I want to summarize this video so that when you watch the first video and watch the second one, you are going to understand the reason why it is very important for you to watch football before betting your money. I hope you understand what I'm saying here. So now, before you place your money in any type of football or betting game at all, first of all, you have to bring out this match, because when you bring it out, you go through it, you use your football sites, because most of you guys, you don't have any football sites, like, how will I fix it now? Like any site, all these betting tip sites, any of them you can mention. You can mention prediction tips, you can mention accurate tips, some are predicting tips, something, some sites like that, mini sites like that you can use. It will help you. They will, when they bring out their games, from there you can pick up, and it will help you to analyze your game, because you have been watching, you know about football. It helps you when you watch live. You have some football sites where you can go and bring out some easy football on a daily, maybe on a daily, or let's say on a daily basis. You go there, you fish out some predicting game that they have been already predicting. I think you are understanding what I'm saying. When you bring it out, you ask, like, let's say this season now, you are already watching football, you are participating in it, you bring out a match, you go through it. Make sure when placing about 5 or 6 matches, go through them. If you don't go through them, you might definitely lose your money. And when going through them, you pick out a particular option for each of them. Okay, you can now say Chelsea and Arsenal, what will be their outcome? Liverpool, Tottenham, what will be their outcome? Everton, Real Madrid, what will be the outcome? You can give a different option, and placing a higher odd, or making placing the more you stake games, the more you add games to your sleeve, the easier for you to lose. Very simple. You can take about, for me, I do take about 2 to 3 games. That is enough for me. I will then now fish out some point or some option that I know that it is possible on this game. I stake. That is how I make my money. When you bring out 2 or 3 match or games, for instance, just 3. Now you bring out different option from it. Just take it. You make your money. You will not lose. As far as you are fans of football, you know how to, you love watching football, you know the analysis and all the things that I have been teaching you since. So that's come to the end of our video. Thank you very much. I don't want this video to go long, so that we have other things that we are going to impart in, so that people are going to be understanding us, because it will take a real time before people to understand us. I don't want to take it far. So now, if this video helps you, if you find it helpful, please don't forget to share, subscribe and like our channel also. Understand? Thank you very much.